Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing immediate barriers. Disconnect the battery to avoid sparks, then open the seat and remove the underseat panel using an 8mm socket. Once the panel is off, you should see the ignition lock assembly and its electrical connector. Make sure to photograph orientation before disconnecting. Carefully unplug the connector, then detach the lock from its bracket with the Phillips fastener. You're now positioned at the lock itself and ready to inspect mechanical and electrical parts for the next steps. Now you inspect both mechanical and electrical failures. Start mechanically. Remove the barrel cover, blow out grit, and add a tiny amount of graphite or silicone spray so the tumblers move freely. Avoid oil that attracts dirt. Electrically, check the ignition switch pins with a multimeter for continuity in the on and start positions. If pins fail, swap the switch module. Reassemble the barrel and test key rotation. If it binds, open again and reseat springs, or replace worn tumblers. Finish by reinstalling the lock assembly, reconnecting the electrical plug, and fastening the panel. Reconnect the battery, then test the key in all positions. Ack on and start. Listen for clicks and verify engine crank. If the engine won't turn, make sure the switch has continuity and the immobilizer has reset. Some models require cycling key OFF/on twice. If problems persist, test battery voltage and ground connections and check fuses. These quick checks eliminate common false faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.